Is it on? Oh yeah, it's just a little bit laggy though. Okay, here we go. We getting started. We getting started with the live videos. I got 2 phones,
Don't
like Kevin
film
Gates.
us over here like all at attention taping.
I don't know. I'm holding the camera shitty. Oh, there we go. So he attaching the he attaching a little bag right now. Ooh, this is exciting. I know. Oh, so I hope it don't fly. He gotta go run back and get the bag. So
Is that a good spot, Scott, for the powder? It's hard, Aaron. So are you gonna wait?
what are you gonna do though? Like,
How does this work?
okay, that's Maddie there.
For the gender reveal.
Gender review.
Here, stand right there, Madison.
Yeah, this is exciting. All right, he getting started. Here we go. Please be a boy. Yes! Oh my god! Yes! So it's a boy, you guys. It's a boy. It's a boy.
Come get this.
It's a boy. PG. It's a boy. All right, there's PG. He trying to go back through that hole. He trying to go back through that hole.